Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your device is powered, updated, and backed up. That reduces risk. Once done, open Settings and navigate to Display or the Home Screen app. This is where layout and gestures live. You need to pick whether you use a launcher or the built-in home. Choose based on customization needs. Make selections now so subsequent steps apply correctly, and keep the app drawer and grid size options visible. They control icon spacing and swipe behavior. Now you fine-tune how your home screen functions. Select a grid size like 4x5 or 5x5 to balance density and readability. Next, long press the home screen to add widgets, place, resize, and stack them to surface useful info. Create folders by dragging apps together to reduce clutter, and enable icon badges or gesture shortcuts for faster access. While you work, test tap and swipe behavior so the layout feels natural. Adjust icon size and label visibility to finalize the look. Finish by saving changes and setting your chosen launcher as default. Then spend a minute or two testing navigation, folders, and widgets to ensure everything responds correctly. If icons or widgets disappear, make sure the launcher wasn't disabled. Clear its cache or reinstall it. That often resolves missing elements. Finally, back up your home layout through System Backup or Launcher Export so you can restore settings quickly. If gestures misbehave, toggle them off and back on to reset their behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.